All right, we're gonna install the USB plug. So I'm actually gonna remove the side panels and I'm gonna remove the seat. I wanted to put a charger on this anyway to run my phone. Just never did. Now, it's Amazon. I'll find it and put the link there. It's even fused. We're going to start by putting it on the handlebars. No tools required. You can see it's got a little thumb screw there. Pull up on the clip and that'll actually slide off. So we can actually install this and then make this slide on. I'm thinking I'll run it up like that. These older bikes have narrower bars than what the newer Enduros have. It's got a little rubber cap, on-off switch there. That's better. Perfect. And there's the fuse is right there. So I'm going to put the fuse back up behind the headlight so it's easy to get at if I ever have an issue. And then I'll just zip tie this here. So alongside the rad, that in the little wire holder, and then I'll zip tie it along here so it's out of the way. I'm going to put it through the frame here because there's a wiring harness on the other side I can run it along with. And then it's all coming up and plumbed the same way. I don't want this on a keyed circuit for one reason, is if I'm out riding trails for a day, I want to be able to go in for lunch or whatever, or shut the bike off for a break and leave the phone charging. And if it's keyed, you pull your key out of the ignition, that will stop charging. So now it won't. Just have to loosen it. Red is going to be your positive. So you can see this is red and black. We should have power up there. Nice. Back here. So you put that in first, and then this will find its own way and everything will line up just tickety-boo. So that's how you install a 12-volt USB plug on your motorcycle. And like I said, it doesn't matter what year it is, they're kind of all the same.